In this video, we're gonna see if it's possible to add new collaboration posts in Instagram post in a private account. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. As you are probably aware, if you have the latest version of Instagram, you can do collaborative posts by clicking on the plus sign, and when you go ahead to publish a new reel or picture, you will be able to select the collaboration option and start tagging people to your post. As you can see here, I have this option right now, and I can either add a tag, aka search for a user, or invite a collaborator to this post. I can just look up their names and add them through here. If I go over to my account settings and I make my account a private account, you can see if I look up some user and I try to add them, it's going to give me this prompt: can't invite collaborator. Make your account public to invite collaborators who don't follow you. So as you can assume, it is currently impossible to invite collaborators if you have a private account and they don't follow you. So unless you turn off the private account option, you won't be able to make new collaboration posts. Keep in mind that if you have old collaborative posts that you've made when your profile was public, they will not go away once your profile becomes private. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that you cannot add collaboration in Instagram posts if you have a private account. You must turn the option off if you want to make new collaboration posts. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.